am Mandy, and this is the best day ever because I am shopping at Greater Gouda right now. This is Chef Josh.
Hi.
Every time I come in, he knows exactly what I like. So we're going to be building the cheese board today. I wasn't going to put meat on my cheese board, but then I saw this Delaware Fireball, and now I'm buying that. This is like an uncured salami. It's got caul fat. It's got all these chilies in it. Josh says it's not made for Delaware, Ohio, but I believe in my heart that it is. So first thing on the cheese board is going to be this. I'm aiming for kind of a sweet, savory, salty, rich, acidic, like everything on one board. So next thing I'm buying, these are so good. These are dehydrated strawberries. This is one of my favorite things at Greater Gouda. No other strawberry that's dehydrated is as good as these. These are they candied? Tell me the truth.
No.
Oh, they're so good. So this is going to be the second thing for the cheese board. I wasn't going to go this sweet, but then I forgot these existed, and they're amazing. So, okay, we got a savory hot, we got a sweet. Now we got to get some cheese. Super excited. So I was telling Chef Josh my thought. I kind of want to do a really hard cheese, like something very sharp. I kind of want to do something maybe flavored or something kind of interesting, and then something kind of soft and funky. I might be thinking blue cheese. I might add a fourth cheese. I don't know. We're going crazy right now. What's like the sharpest thing you have? What's like the cheese that's going to cut you?
That'd be the Pearl Valley extra sharp cheddar.
Okay, so I will take, and here's the thing I'll say, cheese board builders. You don't have to have huge quantities, especially if one cheese is like a little more expensive than another one. Pick like an amount, and with this sharp of a cheese, I'm not going to get a ton of this because a couple pieces you're going to be good. So I will take 1/4 of a pound of that, just chunk. I don't need it sliced. Comté. Comté is the great grandfather of Swiss. It was made by monks, I think. Am I making that up? I'm going to say that it was made by monks. It is a little more aggressive than Swiss. It's like if you got a cross between a Swiss and a Gruyere. Comté. Woo! That might be my middle cheese, actually. I forgot how much I love that stuff. For the middle cheese, I'm almost thinking something flavored. I know I love your Guinness cheese. I already know I like that one, but maybe something like semi-soft, flavored, a little more like mouthfeel rich kind of thing.
The Irish quarter cheddar.
Ooh, that's so pretty too. Look how pretty. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. What I like about that kind of cheese too is it's got the bitterness with like the richness. It's a good combo of stuff. Yeah. So this is Huntsman. That's Cotswold. That has chives inside the cheese. It's great too. Okay, actually, since we have both out, how about 1/4 pound of each of those? Because I think that the onion in there is going to be really good on the board.
Yeah.
Is there another blue cheese like that though? That's more on like the creamy side, like real rich, not as funky is okay, but just like that rich, like the texture of it.
Yeah, we got, and that's a camembert that's been blued.
Wow. Wow, that's crazy.
And the St. Auger, that's got a little more potency to it, but it's creamy, so creamy you can spread it out of the cooler.
That's what I was thinking. Let's go with that one. I was looking for something that was like real, like spreadable, and I'm okay with a little bit of funk. All right, so we've got our 4 cheeses. I meant to only get 3, but you know how it goes. So I got the Cotswold, which was $5. I think pretty reasonable. This cheese board is for 2 people, but it's for 2 people who really, really like cheese. So you could do less than this. The Cotswold has kind of an onion flavor, so that's going to be very savory. I got the extra sharp, which was $4, and that's going to be the real sharp, like tangy one. And then I got the Irish quarter, again $4. This should have like a bitterness, which kind of cleans away some of that fat from the cheese. And the blue cheese, I got a big old hunk, which was about $10 because I know I'm going to be in love. This is a true love cheese. So next steps, what we're going to do. First of all, thank you so much, Chef Josh. Come in and see Chef Josh. He is a genius. He knows exactly what you need. You don't even know you need it, but he knows you need it. Like, it's for real. So next step, I'm going to look at some of their awesome, they have boards. They have all the serving stuff to go with the board. I am going to grab a couple more things that I want for me. And then the next step from here, I'm going to make a couple things at home. I'm going to look for some good bread or crackers. I'm going to get a good wine pairing, and then we will throw it all together, and that's going to be an awesome, awesome cheese board. I'm so excited. So, all right, we'll see you guys for the live video. Please join us get all your cheese, shop here, shop where you like. Cheese boards really can be any price point, any size. So do the one that's going to be working for you guys, and I'll see you at the video.